Hey, here I am with the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and the Apple Watch SE2 from 2022, and let me show you the resting heart rate comparison. So let's go into the settings on the Watch Fit 3. Let's go for the heart rate. I'm gonna accept everything. There we go. And it actually shows me right now the 80 beat rate per minute. Now let's do the same for the Apple Watch, and just take a look. I'm gonna put both devices close to each other and we can actually check the difference. So as you can see, we've got really close results on the both devices. Right now I've got the 83. Now it's actually changed for the 82, 83. So it looks like the both devices actually show me the same result, but you have to remember it's only the resting heart rate. I'm not actually sure how it actually goes when you actually exercise or during some other workouts, like for example swimming. So if you actually wonder about this kind of the comparison, like definitely more advanced, I will highly recommend you to go into the Quantify Scientist channel, where you can find really good looking and very detailed comparison between the smartwatches. But yeah, this is actually a show video that actually I just want to present to you. So by the way, Apple Watches are actually one of the most accurate devices according to the heart rate, especially the resting heart rate. So we can even say that the Watch Fit 3 is actually accurate when we're actually talking about the resting heart rate. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.